In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Revolut account to PayPal. By the end, your Revolut details will be saved in your PayPal wallet, ready to use at checkout or whenever you need them. Begin by opening the PayPal app on your phone. From the home screen, go straight to the wallet section. This is where all your payment methods live and where you'll add anything new. Take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct PayPal account and that your app is up to date, as that helps avoid errors during setup. Inside Wallet, look for the Add New option and tap it. PayPal will ask whether you want to add a bank account or a card. Both options work with Revolut, so choose the one that suits how you plan to pay. Adding a bank account connects using your Revolut account details and is often useful for transfers or funding your balance. Adding a card connects using your Revolut card and is simple if you prefer paying directly by card. If you choose bank account, start by searching for Revolut. If Revolut appears, select it and follow the on-screen prompts. If it doesn't appear in the list, tap Enter Bank Details manually. Here, PayPal will ask for your IBAN. Your Revolut IBAN is the international bank account number assigned to your account. Have it ready so you can paste or type it in accurately. If you're copying from the Revolut app, double check that there are no extra spaces and that the country code and numbers match exactly. Accuracy here is important because even a small typo can cause the link to fail. Alternatively, if you prefer to add your Revolut card, choose debit or credit card. Enter your Revolut card number, the expiry date, and the security code on the back. Make sure the name and billing address you provide match the details on your PayPal profile to prevent verification issues. If your Revolut card is virtual, the number in your Revolut app works the same way as a physical card for this purpose. After you've entered the details, tap Link Card or continue to finish linking the bank account. PayPal will process the information, and once it's accepted, you'll see your Revolut bank account or card appear in your wallet. That means it's ready to use whenever you check out with PayPal. And that's it. You've successfully linked Revolut to PayPal. If anything doesn't look right, review the details you entered, ensure your apps are current, and try again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having Revolut available in your PayPal wallet.